Hey everyone, my name is Gideon and I'm the founder of GG Collective Co. The purpose of this video is to talk about our plans for the Australian Kendama Open. In order to ensure we meet our goals, we need to make a plan. And much like the human body, we have core parts, a framework. This framework is what will ensure that everything will come into place. The best way to start for us is to establish the W's and H's, the what, when, where, and how. The what, the Australian Kendama Open. The when, 25th of July, which is a Saturday. The where, Brisbane, Australia. We're thinking somewhere in the city. Location still to be determined. And the how, by following the plan and assembling a team. Great! Now that that's sorted, it's time to delve a little bit further. Last year and the year before, we believe were trial runs. They were really great experiences. We developed a lot of friendships and a lot of relationships within the Australian Kendama community. We learnt a lot about preparation and acknowledged our shortcomings. Things can only get better. Which brings us to what I believe is the highest priority, preparation. The most important lesson learned from previous years is that in order to gain significant traction and to reduce stress, you got to plan. Hence we have started now, 6 months in advance. In order to ensure that we have the core parts working, we have to branch out and seek support from the community. One person is great to get things started, but as a team, we can move mountains. This truly is important. It would be great if I could go out and do everything on my own, but it's too much for just one person. Believe me, we did it for 2 years running and it was hectic. You know what they say, many hands make light work. True that. So first things first, I'm looking for individuals whom would like to help establish AKO. Our goals are as follows. 1. Establish a venue. We trialled AKO in the park and it was great. For example, the North American Kendama Open has always been hosted in quite large venues. I think last year they hosted theirs at the Delta Hotels, which is by the Marriott. The KWC is continually hosted in the motherland of Kendama, Hatukaichi, which is also in a large community hall. This is something similar to what we should be looking for. Number 2, establish funding for such an event. These things don't come cheap. Support from our company alone to fund the event isn't ideal. In order to think bigger, we have to be ambitious and branch out and seek support from the community. If you were interested in endorsing AKO 2020, please contact us. Number 3, promotion. We need to get the event in front of as many people as possible, but especially Kendama players and prospectives. Not only local, but international too. It would be amazing to have international attendance from the various Kendama teams out there. It would be the dream, but especially seeing the growing number of Australian Kendama players out there. That's a true gift. And it's also a sign that we're gaining traction. If you're interested in the promotion aspect of AKO 2020, please do contact us. Number 4, establish a team. We need dedicated individuals who are looking at the bigger picture, willing to dedicate their time to see plans move forward, who really want to see the event grow into something that we can all be proud of. If this sounds like you, please contact us. With YouTube as a platform, we have the opportunity to show you all the progress and developments regarding the event, as well as the stages that we are taking to make this all happen. This is a great tool to constantly remind us of our path and hold us accountable for following our goals. As with anything, such responsibility can be pretty daunting. However, we're looking at it as a positive challenge, the best way to look at it, because the end result will definitely be worth it for everyone involved. Also, with us documenting our process, we're hoping that this can inspire you to possibly establish your own event, thus spreading Kendama to more places, and that's amazing. So stay tuned. We hope you all continue along this journey with us, and if you're interested in contributing your time to help make things happen, please do contact us. Exciting times, my friends. Till next time, remember the GG ethos to learn, grow and inspire. Sesh on my dudes, and much Dama love.